Hello. Hi. So it's your girl, Kenise, Sade. Hey. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna try like a new thing on my channel. I took a little hiatus away from making videos for a little bit, as I'm sure if you're subscribed you could probably tell. I kind of want to start doing like different videos and stuff. I don't know, doing hair videos was getting really like just really boring and like repetitive for me. Like it was kind of like, oh, this hair is good, this hair is not, this hair is cute, this hair is kind of like you know. So I was just kind of like I wanted to go ahead and just try doing something different, like more lifestyle, fashion, you know, stuff like that. So I decided I'm gonna, you know, go ahead and vlog today. I have had a little inspiration from some people I was watching on YouTube lately. I may do weekly vlogs because I don't do that much stuff every day. So I may just like combine things from like all throughout the week, show y'all my outfits and stuff, because I do work in retail. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I have it in my bio. I'm an assistant manager at a Windsor location. After the mall closes, because it closes earlier on Sundays, we're gonna all go to this new place that just opened up. It's right behind me, right there. It's called Round One. We're gonna all go there, team in the store, and we're gonna, you know, go have some fun. So I figured you guys could, you know, take a peek into what goes to my life. This is actually the most like action-packed thing I've done in like a really long time. My life is boring. I go to work and go home, like I said. But yeah, I had to take a break from YouTube for a little bit because it just was, I didn't have the energy, the motivation to really do it, just because I was just doing the same thing every video. It's just literally like hair reviews back to back, and it gets really boring. So as I can see, my last video was like a haul, and I really like that. It didn't get that many views, but like I like, you know, fashion. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hey, oh my gosh. Hey, thank you. Love y'all. Bye.
Hey girl, so strange.
Say hi.
Hi.
Tiara.
Hi, everyone. Or someone.
Okay. Yes.
Get your Windsor. Nephews from Windsor.
Uh-huh.
You know, clothes, Windsor wear.
Quick outfit of the day. Here we go. My earrings are from Forever 21. I think, pretty sure. This necklace is from here, Windsor. This top is from Hot Topic. This shaggy cardigan is from here. In fact, it's like right behind me. Right. My belt is from here. My purse is from here. My jeans are from Fashion Nova. Socks, Forever 21, and boots are from here. And my scrunchie. It's from here.
Hi. What's up?
You wanna do a quick little, you know, spin around to see your outfit?
I haven't put on products yet, though. I haven't put my makeup on or nothing yet. Wait a minute.
And this angel.
Look
at her.
Snow.
And her new
We
jacket.
do a photo shoot in the snow, you know? So you like,
You don't do Mario? Oh. Well, that's an aggressive walk.
girl.
Yeah, that was
I watched
aggressive.
too much RuPaul's Drag Race.
That
Y'all
was-
can't clock me.
That was aggressive.
That was. I am ready for my runway check at the end of the runway.
Look at
Thank
this.
you, ma'am. I like it.
Say hi.
I had to make sure my lips wouldn't, you know, crust. I was staring at her food too. You gotta let me know next time. Wait, retake. Windsor, 128. Are you vegan?
Now that I need you.
I wish my song would come on. Like an Ariana song. Girl, right, girl, give me some. Thank you. I have a whole little concert. I got my little Ariana ponytail going on. I know she did. Ariana. Is that what? Thank you. Is that what?
That's a fucking great ball, phone
X.
So I got two pairs of sunglasses, right? Okay. So we got option number 1.
Okay, she cute.
Okay. Then we got option number 2.
Okay.
So which one we doing?
Okay.
I like the first. What's your name? What's your name? Kanisha. Darion. Rizzy's Ariandra. Ariandra. Which one is Darion or Dariana? It's Darion. It can't be Darion. No.
And then Tiara is gonna be Taiwan.
Taiwan. What's that name gonna be?
Tawanda. Yours is well, I forgot what hers was already. What was it? What was
Chrissy?
Ariane.
No.
Ari.
You gotta do it with an R. Rwanda. Just put Rwanda.
It could be an A or an R because of Rizica.
What's that called? That movie, Rwanda?
Rwanda.
Okay. Is that everybody?
Okay. She got ready.
Y'all ready for this?
Ooh.
What you want it to be? Come on, Shadaria. Okay.
Are y'all ready? Can everybody get their balls first?
Oh yeah, we gotta get our balls. We gotta get the balls. So get our balls. Oh, wait.
It's pretty.
Oh no, this is kind of cute. I like the purple. Okay. Here, I'm ready to get that cinematic for you. You ready? Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. That was just a warm up. All right, Miss Rizzy, let's go, girl. With the sparkle. With the sparkle. Straight. Come on, aggressive, straight. She got some. Y'all know what y'all look like.
It's like this. I hold it like this.
You got it.
That's what I want. I'm wondering myself. Okay. All right, yes.
I hold like this.
Damn, she was under pressure.
I know.
There's so much pressure on her shoulders.
Right, well, look, she. It was still good.
Oh, shit, this
It's
shit.
fine. We went
No, girl, hurry up.
You ready? Oh, okay. Look at it. Hey, somebody come get their mom.
Where's their mom?
You know what? Good job. You warming up. Warm up. Come on. That's right. See, crack a knuckle. No. She's serious. Look, ponytail. Ponytail. We got three more turns left. Alright, what is you talking about? Like, look, we little baby, little amateurs. Little amateurs. It's fine, all of 24. It's fine. It's cool. It's okay. It's right. Couldn't he shoot more than halfway? A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. We almost there.
So how do you feel as the winner?
You know, B plus. Got the 88. I got all right, I see that's some competition going on here. Devin looks lost over.
Okay, so I know I said in the beginning of this video it's going to be like a weekly vlog. However, I got like a lot of footage from that night, so we'll make this all into one vlog and we'll just see where we go from here. But yeah, I didn't make an outro that night because obviously I thought it was going to be the rest of the week, but it's not. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys feel about the vlogs. Let me know how y'all feel about me doing hair reviews, fashion videos, you know, stuff like that. Let us sister know, you know what I'm saying, so we can get this, you know, together, because I would like to start YouTube again, but I gotta, you know, I gotta enjoy it. So anyway, make sure y'all follow me on my social media if y'all are not already. All the girls' Instagrams and stuff will be down below. If they want it there, then I'll put it there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.